Do you struggle with coming up with social media content? Well, you don't have to if you have blog posts. On today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can repurpose your content easily by using ChatGPT. Are you ready to find out how? Stay tuned. Hello and welcome. If you're new to this channel, my name is Maggie Carey. I'm a social media strategist who helps busy business owners do their social media for less time, money, and stress. And on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create your social media with ChatGPT if you already have a blog post. It's as easy as copy and paste. And a couple of words of wisdom. So let's get started and make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to be sharing with you a special tip to make this even faster and easier. The first thing I'd like to do is share with you a blog post. Now, I created a blog post on my website and it's about AI and social media. Is it a match made in heaven or a recipe made for disaster? Well, in this post, I put a bunch of things like tips and pros and cons, and you'll see there's little bulleted items, as well as I included a few little warning tips on what you should do when you're using social media. Now, and ChatGPT and using AI, right? This is a very, very, very interesting topic, and check this blog post out. I'll put the link in the comments to help you out a bit. But that being said, I want to repurpose this because it's some great information. But the thing about it that I was concerned about was that, well, now I've got to go through this. I've got to figure out, well, what am I going to do? How am I going to extract these tidbits to put in a social media post? I can do this so easily using ChatGPT. But remember, read the blog post first because that blog post is going to give you some tips on what you need to do as well as what I'm going to share with you today. So here in ChatGPT, I'm going to put this little phrase. I'm going to say, can you repurpose this blog post to create 15 social media posts for a social media agency named Master It Media? And I always like to put 3 dots in if I'm doing something like this, and then paste the blog. So once I paste the blog, it's going to be coming up with my 15 social media posts that I asked for. What I liked about it is here, if you notice that it's taking little elements out of it, so I don't have to worry about this. Now, I can very easily clip this little clipboard icon right here, paste it into a spreadsheet. And the reason I'm doing this is for a very simple reason, and I explain it in the blog post. You need to use AI responsibly, okay? You can't just take it for what it is. You need to take it, you need to modify it, edit it, repurpose it for its intended purpose with your brand. Your brand has to come through, and ChatGPT, as good as it is, isn't going to be able to give you the details that you need. So when you do this, you copy and paste and you put it into a spreadsheet. Then you can go in there and you can modify the content so that it matches your brand and also check for inaccuracies. It may have inaccuracies in what ChatGPT creates. You have to remember it only goes up to 2021. It gives you disclaimers all over the place. You shouldn't be using this in its raw format, that you should be editing it and reviewing it. Don't just copy and paste and post. You need to copy, paste, review, then post. So promise me you're going to review. If you're looking for a way to take this spreadsheet and import it into a social media tool, I share that information in this video right here, so check it out. It's another way of using ChatGPT with your social media and a tool called Painless Posting that'll allow you to import content in and post across multiple platforms. I'm more than happy to reply to any comments that you put down below, and as always, give us that thumbs up if you found this helpful and subscribe to us so you're notified every time we release a new video. See you on the flip side.